Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we delve into Google's unexpected decision to advance the Pixel 9 launch. Let's explore how this early move might reshape the smartphone landscape. Google's strategic shift. Google has surprised tech enthusiasts by moving its annual Made by Google event from October to August. This bold decision is seen as a direct response to Apple's anticipated iPhone 16 launch in September. The impact of AI. One of the driving factors behind Google's early launch is its focus on AI innovation. With the Pixel 9, Google aims to showcase pioneering AI features like Gemini Live, outpacing Apple's rumored advancements in AI. Exciting Pixel 9 features. Leaks indicate that the Pixel 9 series will introduce significant upgrades in design, performance, and functionality. Expect stunning OLED displays with high refresh rates and a sleek new design featuring a vertical camera bar. Community and industry reactions. The tech community and industry experts have voiced strong support for Google's decision. Polls suggest widespread excitement about what Google has planned with the early Pixel 9 launch. Outro. That concludes today's deep dive into Google's decision to unveil the Pixel 9 earlier than expected. What are your thoughts on this strategic shift? Share your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in mobile technology. Thanks for watching Future Phone Flash.